Welcome to 3085 North Yuma Drive, Chino Valley, Arizona, an exquisite 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home nestled on a sprawling 2.72-acre lot in the desirable Chino Lakes area. This beautifully remodeled residence boasts a split floor plan and an open concept design, perfect for modern living. As you step onto the expansive Trex front deck and enter through the stunning flagstone entryway, you'll be greeted by a spacious living area featuring newer flooring, Andersen windows, and skylights that fill the home with natural light. The kitchen is a chef's dream, complete with a large island and ample counter space, while the master suite offers a luxurious walk-in closet and serene views. The property is a haven for horse enthusiasts, featuring a fully set-up horse arena and 2 stalls, all securely enclosed within a fully fenced perimeter. The gated entrance ensures privacy and security, while the 24 by 36-foot oversized block garage with an extra tall ceiling provides plenty of space for vehicles and storage. Additionally, there's an 18 by 18-foot carport extension and a separate workshop, making it ideal for hobbyists or those in need of extra workspace. For added convenience, RV hookups are available, accommodating guests or providing extra utility for travel enthusiasts. Beyond the home itself, the landscaped property offers breathtaking long-range mountain views and paved access for easy travel. Positioned across from state land, this unique home combines the best of rural tranquility and modern convenience. Whether you're looking to enjoy the serene beauty of Arizona's landscape or take advantage of the equestrian facilities, 3085 North Yuma Drive promises a lifestyle of comfort and adventure. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make this exceptional property your new home.